Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hello there, and welcome to the Wedway Walker. In this video, I'll be taking you on a ride on Runaway Railway at Disney's Hollywood Studios. That said, let's get going.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing?
Hey, Mickey and Minnie.
Sure to get good there, all right.
Of course, better with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, no. Mama's up in that track switch.
Nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. Are you silly? One week we have on a daisy round. By our side, the stars will be our guide. Nothing can stop us now. The stars will be our guide.
will ever do. Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
There you have it, folks. I hope that you enjoyed your ride on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and remember, your future hasn't been written yet, so make it a good one.